Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. Today's episode, I will give you 5 tips for a successful immigration application. Before we proceed, I want to introduce myself. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. I'm licensed in New York. I've been practicing immigration law for more than 10 years. I'm also from the Philippines. Okay. So ito ay para dun sa mga applicants na they decided to submit their own application. Maraming mga dahilan. Number 1 kasi yung financial constraints na some applicants ay they cannot afford hiring a lawyer or a representative to help them. May mga applicants naman na they feel na and they're very confident na kaya nila itong mag-submit ng sarili nilang application, and that's perfectly okay. Alright, so itong 5 tips na ito ay para sa successful immigration application. Number 1, make sure you use the correct forms. Ito ang number 1 mistake. Okay, where do you get the correct forms? Of course, ang best source ng forms ay yung government agency concerned. USCIS.gov, tapos sa Department of State naman for consular process. Sa US Embassy Manila, ay makukuha nyo doon yung mga forms for consular process. Okay, may mga website na they charge you ng fee to get the forms. Hindi po iyon ang official website. Ang immigration po sa uscis.gov ay free ang forms. And of course, updated sila. So that I think that's the best source ng forms. Okay, number 2, make sure na ang address ng immigration ay tama. Now, how do you know ang address ng immigration na padadala nyo? It depends on the application. It depends on your residence. And kung ang application mo ay standalone or with another application. Para naman sa consular process, ngayon, halos lahat ng applications online na eh. So you have to check the website. Pero make sure na tama yung pupuntahan ng application mo. Okay? Number 3, make sure your filing fee is correct. Okay, ang filing fee hindi pwedeng sobra, hindi pwedeng kulang kasi it's gonna get rejected. So how do you know? May instruction naman bawat form. And as you know, sa USCIS, halos lahat ng form ay may katumbas na filing fee. So make sure you read the instruction. Okay? Kasi pag kulang or pag sinobrahan nyo, i-reject po ng immigration. Number 4, make sure your application is timely filed. Okay, itong number 4, kung may deadline, I will strongly advise na magpa-assist kayo sa experienced immigration lawyer. Because ang consequence kung hindi mo ma-file in time ay po pwedeng mawala ang iyong lawful immigration status. So kung may deadline, you have to submit it dun sa period na kailangan mong isubmit. Huwag mo isubmit ng last minute. Paano pag hindi makarating dun in time, di ba? Sayang naman. So usually bibigyan naman kayo ng like kung merong period to submit your response. Okay? Dapat isubmit mo yun in time. Yung mga petition to remove conditions, meron din yung time period. Yung mga renewal ng I-765, meron ding time period yan. So make sure you submit your application in time. Number 5, make sure you have a good mailing address. Kasi you will receive, immigration will send you the receipt notices. So dapat tama ang mailing address mo. And if ever you're going to change your address, you have to notify immigration either online or by mail. Kasi may mga cases, maraming mga pangyayari na lumipat, nag-relocate, tapos hindi na-inform properly ang immigration. Yung pala, nagpadala pala ng biometrics notice. Meron palang decision na napadala dun sa address na yon. And na-miss mo na yon, may deadline. So, ang nagiging resulta, denial pa ng application. So it's very, very important na kapag mag-change ka ng address, ay kailangan mong i-notify ang immigration. Okay? Yan po ang ating podcast for today. I hope nagustuhan po ninyo. If you like it, please like and subscribe and please share this to your friends. Marami po tayong mga ini-expect na changes sa immigration policies. So I'm encouraging you na mag-subscribe para ma-notify po namin kayo kapag may mga pagbabago sa immigration. Alright? Thank you very much. Till next time, this is Attorney E. Maraming salamat po.